All right, hi everyone. Happy New Year. Let's talk about Nutriband. It's a stock that made within day 184%. But if we take a look at the 1 year, minus 25% in returns. So keep in mind, so not all investments making like in a day that much. And if they will make, then you probably could be even holding 1 year and still be in the negative returns. Market cap of the company, 30 million. By the way, the company develops a portfolio on transdermal pharmaceutical products. Financial health side, 6 out of 6. Revenue is forecasted to grow 55% per year. There's a bunch of risks, such as high volatile share price over the past 3 months. Unfortunately, currently they are unprofitable, not forecasted to become profitable in the next 3 years. Shareholders have been diluted in the past year. That is meaning that they printed some shares out. So shares outstanding in millions just keep growing. So they print the money for print the shares and receive money for example, operating cash flows. By the way, total sales are decreasing. That is also good, and does not have meaningful revenue, 1 million, and does not have meaningful market cap, which is both are not meaningful in simple Wall Street's side. There's a lot of competitors: Johnson & Johnson, Viatris, Nectar Therapeutics, Mallinckrodt. By the way, big companies, 453 billion in market cap, 16.2 billion. And if we take a look at the shareholder returns, 1 year return, this is the previous day close, minus 73%. Of course, those numbers doesn't outbeat the US pharmaceutical market and US market on average, and the price volatility is just on the highest points. About the company, founded 2016, 4 employees, and fundamentals. This is funny stuff to read. So fundamental summary: market cap 30 million, earnings minus 4.8 million, revenue 1.2. That's not so bad as we look other biotech companies. Valuation side, unfortunately, simple Wall Street, neither the tip ranks does not have any price targets, but we see the Market Watch has currently stock price target $24 per share. That is meaning that 100%, by the way, upside based on Market Watch. On the future growth, so decent growth forecasted, 77% on annual side earning growth. And of course, the earnings per share growth is forecasted as well as to grow. So it's decreased. Unfortunately, current situation is an actual situation looking like that, but it's forecasted to grow and even beat the record that they had 2020. Not unprofitable side though. That is unfortunate. Past performance, so the earning growth decreased 19%. So they had ups and downs, but fortunately they have some of the revenue currently. And on the financial health side, this is important information. So they have, they decreased, by the way, the depth. They have just a little bit of the depth, 118,000. And let's take a look at the cash, 5.4 million, equity 14 million. That's a good situation. That's why the balance sheet looks mostly green. There's just a little corner there, the depth there. Dividends, they are not paying dividends. And also important information, the insiders ownership. Insider trading volumes, no volumes there. Ownership breakdown, general public holding 59%. Insiders 40, private companies 0.3, and of course top shareholders. We've seen founder holding, there's the 2 founders. By the way, everyone is decreasing except this one, chief technical officer decreased 50%, but he didn't even held much of it, 5,000 almost. But I see everyone is just increasing. By the way, we don't see here the company. So here's the strategic pharmaceutical consulting is here, but otherwise there's a lot of individuals here. For example, member of the board, directors, etc. But it would be very nice if this one could possibly, for example, Vanguard or BlackRock would be very nice to see. But anyway, let's look at the technical analysis. So we hit the bottom, the double bottom, and we rebound from that. So possible, as I said, the market watch showed $24 would be the price target. It's not even the maximum of the 52 weeks. So we had even more, $32 per share. Anyway, let's check. Yeah, I told already that shares outstanding keep increasing, total sales as well. That is not the bad situation even. And if we click the max side, so this is all time since they entered the market. They had IPO back in 2017. This is since that's 68% up. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and see you in the future one.